proudly present MSc in Public Procurement and Supply Chain Management degree program.
In today's fast-changing world, mastering public procurement and supply chain management isn't just an advantage, it's a necessity. At the Faculty of Management Studies of the Open University of Sri Lanka, our MSc program empowers the professionals with cutting-edge expertise to lead, innovate and drive the real change. But don't just take our words for it. Hear from those who have experienced it firsthand.
I am 𝗣𝗂𝗯𝗵 and working as an assistant superintendent for railways over 17 years. Well, I am seeking for a good advanced procurement course for over a couple of years. At that moment, one of my friends told me that there's a procurement and supply chain management MSc conducted by the Open University, and it is the only one MSc course regarding the subject. So I failed to apply for the course. Before I studied the course, I thought that this is very difficult and study is tough. But after I joined to the program, I realized this is a very easy method they are following. Because of the distance learning method, I can reach the course very easily and follow the things without any difficulty. I must thank for all of the professionals who are supporting us to improve our knowledge. Not only the academic staff, the non-academic staff is also very supportive and friendly to handle our things. So I must thank them about their job. Talking about my busy life, it is very easy because I am listening the lectures while I am traveling to my home. Like that, it is very easy to me. I highly recommended the MSc in Public Procurement and Supply Chain Management course conducted by the Open University of Sri Lanka, and because this is the only one MSc course conducted in Sri Lanka. And if you wish to join this course, don't hesitate. Be a partner of Open University.
Are you ready to create yours? Join with MSc in Public Procurement and Supply Chain Management program at the Faculty of Management Studies of the Open University of Sri Lanka and take your career to the next level.
For your future.